Okay, this is called a stem and leaf plot. Now what's important to remember is the numbers in the stem column, okay, and we'll get a pen here. The number in the stem column is the tens place. The number in the leaf column is your ones place. Okay, so for example, this first number right here is not 3. This first number is 23 because the 2's in front. The 8 at the end there would be 28. Okay, this number down here would be 45. And this number down here is not 0, it is 50. Okay, so you got to look at the numbers in the front, and that's your tens place. Okay, let's get rid of some of this stuff so we can see a little bit better. Okay, so now we can answer a few questions here. Like, for example, if they ask you, what is the smallest number in this data list? Okay, so the smallest number is always going to be the first number. Okay, so that number would be 23. All right, now the next question might say, what is the biggest number or the greatest value? And that's always going to be the last one. Okay, so this one would be 50. Now range, guys, we've been doing range all year long. Range is the biggest number minus the smallest number. So in this case, you would take 50 minus 23. And you can use your calculators for that, and you'd see that that equals 27. Okay, mode. Mode means what number happens the most times. Okay, so you're looking on your list here and seeing what number occurs the most times. Well, I see 2 5s here and 2 6s here. So remember, these 5s are 25 and these 6s are 36. So I don't see any others that repeat. So that means it would be 2 modes. So 25 is a mode and 36 is a mode because they happen the most times. All right, and then the last one. The last one says, what is the median of these values? Okay, so if we're going to do median, okay, I'm going to erase this a little bit more so we can see it. Median means the middle. So we're going to find the number that's in the middle. Okay, so what you could do to try to find out what number's in the middle is you cross out the biggest number, 50. Cross out the smallest number, 23. Cross out the next biggest number, 45. The next smallest number, 25. And we're going to go back and forth until we get to the middle. So the next biggest would be 36. The next smallest would be 25. Next biggest would be 36. Next smallest would be 27. All right, if I have just one number left in the middle, then that's my median. But here I have 2 numbers in the middle. I have 28 and I have 32. So if you have 2 numbers in the middle, you add them up and divide by 2. Okay, so 28 plus 32 is 60, and then 60 divided by 2 is 30. So the middle number, or the median, would be 30. Now you should be able to answer all the questions, numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 on your quiz.